You might be sitting on hundreds of dollars without even knowing it. Today, I will show you how to turn the stuff you already own into a steady monthly income without selling anything. This method works for anyone in the US, even if you have a full-time job, and it's one of the most underrated side hustles right now. Renting out your things. Step 1. Check what you already have. Look around your house, garage, or storage. You might have tools, cameras, electronics, party supplies, bikes, or even a spare parking spot. Anything people borrow occasionally but don't want to buy is perfect. Step 2. List them on peer-to-peer rental platforms. Apps like Fat Llama, FriendWithA, or RentNotBuy let you rent your items locally. Just upload a few photos, write a short description, and set your daily or weekly price. For example, if you rent out your drill for $10 a day, your bike for $25 a weekend, or your camera for $40 a day, that's real income adding up fast. Step 3. Protect your stuff. These apps include insurance, so if something breaks or gets lost, you're covered. Still, make sure to take clear photos before and after, and only hand off items to verified users through the app. Step 4. Repeat and scale. The goal isn't to rent just one thing. Build a mini inventory of rentable items. Think of it like creating your own small rental business. You can even buy second-hand gear to rent out once you see what works best. Step 5. Don't forget digital rentals. You can rent out your parking space, storage area, or even digital tools like Canva or editing accounts if allowed. Some people make $200 to $500 a month renting digital access alone. Step 6. Automate it. Once your listings are up, the income becomes mostly passive. Set up auto messages, clear pickup instructions, and a payment tracker. Many users easily reach $800 to $1,000 a month after a few consistent months. Step 7. Stay smart. Always meet in safe public places. Use app-based payments only, and reinvest a small part of your profit into buying new items to rent out. If you start this weekend, you could make your first $100 within days. It's real, simple, and works anywhere. Remember, you don't need new stuff. Just use what you already have. Try this method, track your first rental, and let me know in the comments what you're listing first. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical ways to make money that actually work.